Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best cooling face masks available right now. If you're looking for a versatile, breathable, and UV protective solution for your outdoor activities, then the Geyoga 6 Pieces Summer UV Protection Cooling Neck Gaiter is definitely worth your attention. Whether you're hiking, cycling, fishing, or simply enjoying a sunny day outdoors, this neck gaiter is designed to keep you cool and comfortable while providing excellent sun protection. So, why is this the best cooling face mask? Let's take a closer look. First, the material used in this neck gaiter is elastic, soft, and highly breathable. It's crafted to draw sweat away from your skin and dry quickly, which is essential when you're spending long hours under the sun. This quick-drying fabric ensures that you stay cool, even in the heat of summer. And, thanks to its lightweight and stretchy design, the neck gaiter comfortably fits most people, ensuring you have a snug yet breathable fit. But that's not all. One of the standout features of this neck gaiter is its UV protection. Made with materials that offer a barrier against the sun's harmful rays, this mask helps you avoid sunburn and skin damage, which is particularly crucial when you're outdoors for extended periods. Along with sun protection, it's also dust-proof, sand-proof, and wind-proof, which makes it a great choice for a variety of environments. The multifunctional design is another reason why this neck gaiter is so popular. Not only can you use it as a face mask, but it also doubles as a headband, beanie, balaclava, or even a pirate cap. This versatility makes it perfect for different outdoor activities, from running and hiking to fishing, motorcycling, and more. It's a one-size-fits-most product, with each piece measuring 25 by 42 centimeters, which ensures a flexible and adjustable fit for most users. The Geyoga 6-pack provides great value for money. You get 6 different pieces in one package, making it perfect for sharing with family or friends, or simply having multiple options for your own use. And, no need to worry about the quality, this neck gaiter is built to last. The fabric won't shrink, pill, or fade even after multiple washes, making it a durable and long-lasting choice. Now, when it comes to care, it's easy to maintain. Just hand wash it after each use, and you're good to go. This simple maintenance ensures that your neck gaiter stays in top condition for repeated use. In conclusion, the Geyoga 6 Pieces Summer UV Protection Cooling Neck Gaiter is not just another face mask. It's an all-in-one solution for outdoor enthusiasts who need sun protection, comfort, and style. With its multifunctional design, UV blocking material, and breathable fabric, it's the perfect companion for your next adventure. If you're looking for a reliable, reusable cooling face mask, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product breakdowns. Stay safe and keep cool.